Do you also suffer from poor sleep, stress, and muscle cramps? This simple spray is the solution to all of your problems. So today we will discuss about our magnesium oil. Who should use it? When should you use it? Who should not use it? And how to use it. And at the end of the video, I'll share with you the real reviews of real patients who have used this magnesium oil. So watch the video till the end. This magnesium oil is not actually oil per se. It is not extracted from any seed. It is not processed or anything. Magnesium oil is basically a super saturated solution of magnesium chloride. And when you dissolve magnesium chloride in hot water, it turns oily, and that's why it's called magnesium oil. Anyway, if you want to check the purity of your oil, just mix some of the oil in warm water. If it dissolves fully, it means it is 100% magnesium oil. If there is some residue at the bottom, it means some impurity is there, and you must be very cautious what things have been added other than magnesium chloride to your oil. But I would say the best test for any health product would be use it. Use it for 5 to 7 days and see if it improves your symptoms of sleeplessness, cramps, or whatever symptoms you have. So this oil should be used by people who have crampy muscles. If you are on your period, or if you are working all day, or even if you are an athlete, you must have experienced muscle cramps, and this is the solution to your muscle cramps. Secondly, if you have some anxiety, I call anxiety as cramp of the mind. So if your mind is crampy and you are anxious and you are depressed, this is one wonderful thing. Simply because it improves the sleep.
पिंडली और पट्टों के खिंचाव की वजह से बहुत बेचैन रहता था. इस ऑयल के इस्तेमाल से मैं सुकून से सोता हूँ.
And its use is really easy. Here, I'll open this bottle for you and show you. Like when you open the box, you will get a bottle like this. This is a spray bottle, and all you have to do is remove the cover and spray this on your stomach or legs or any like big area. Spray it like this. You can see it is being sprayed. And now this thing is not oily or greasy or anything. Okay, just like rub it in and leave it overnight preferably. But if you are in a hurry, just leave it for about 20 to 30 minutes, and after that you can wash off. This is all the time it requires for the magnesium to get absorbed into your blood. And this magnesium oil is very good for sleeplessness. It is very good if you have muscle cramps. You can spray it directly on the muscle that is crampy. Even it is very good for heart health. So if you suffer from a weak heart and you can feel your heartbeats, which is called palpitations, this is one wonderful thing. Plus, it is not at all irritant because it is a solution of a salt, isn't it? And that's why it is even used in acne and dermatitis. But if, for example, you are highly sensitive and you feel some irritation on your skin, just mix it up with some oil that you know is not irritant to you. For example, olive oil or sweet almond oil, whatever oil you like. Just mix this with that and then rub it in, and you can gain all the benefits of magnesium oil. Any person who has muscle cramps, maybe it is because of overwork or because you are an athlete or because you are on your period, and just between us, I have also used it on my scalp, and my scalp also feels wonderful after application of magnesium oil. Or you have something called restless leg syndrome and you cannot sleep because of that. Or because you have anxiety and you cannot sleep because of that. In all these situations, you can easily use this oil and you can see the results within as less as 7 days. And it is really convenient because this is the spray bottle. You can keep it in your bag, you can keep it in your cupboard, you can keep it on your bedside, and just before sleeping, you can spray some on your body and you're good to go. You will get a wonderful night's sleep. And you can find this magnesium oil on our website, and I can guarantee you this is the cheapest, most effective and non-toxic oil that is present in the market right now. As you know, I don't share with you any product that I have not used previously or I am not sure of its purity. I gave this magnesium oil to many of my patients, and here are some of the reviews of some of my patients. They are all in Urdu, but I'll put subtitles on each of the reviews.
ये ऑयल वाकई कमाल का है. इसके इस्तेमाल से मेरे पट्टों का खिंचाव बिल्कुल खत्म हो गया.
मैं एक स्पोर्ट्समैन हूँ और इस ऑयल के इस्तेमाल से अब मैं प्रोलॉन्ग वर्कआउट कर सकता हूँ.
As you have seen, it has worked wonders for all these people. Finally, a disclaimer. If you have a magnesium deficiency on your blood works, then you have to take pills for that. then the magnesium oil won't do any good. And the most absorbable form of magnesium orally is magnesium glycinate, which is available in our clinic. So what are you waiting for? If you also suffer from any of these problems, let me know in the comment section below. Use this oil and after 7 days, give me a feedback on how this magnesium oil worked for you. This would be our 7-day magnesium oil challenge. Take care till we meet next time. Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.